Welcome to our guide on customizing your smartphone home screen. Today, we'll dive into creative themes and widget setups to personalize your device. Let's start. In the beginning, let's talk about typical home screen settings and how you can change them. Open the desktop preferences on your device, and there you can enable or disable app notification dots, switch the home screen between standard and app drawer modes, lock or unlock app and widget layout, turn on and off the Google Feed page, and more. Try out all available toggles to see what they do and how you want them to be. Next, you can start customizing the wallpapers. Here, the options and variants are almost infinite. You can set a default wallpaper or upload a custom image from your gallery. You can use third-party apps such as Magic Fluids to apply interactive and animated wallpapers, or nowadays, some phones have a built-in AI wallpapers feature, so you could also use it. On the same note, there are plenty of apps that allow you to also change the app icons and interface theme, so if you're interested in applying custom device theme, go for it. Now let's talk about widgets. Here, the particular widget situation depends on the apps you have installed. So open the list of available widgets, look through them all, and add widgets you like to your home screen. And well, that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.